Replacement antenna for drive reach and drive reach fleet cellular boosters. Long coaxial cable allows for custom installations. Coaxial cable terminated with SMB connector. Thin, narrow design. The weBoost 314419 drive reach in-vehicle antenna with SMB connector is a replacement antenna for drive reach and drive reach fleet cellular boosters. This antenna has a long coax cable ideal for custom installations. The coax cable is terminated with an SMB connector. Top review from the United States. Good price for working product.